I'll shift. Yeah, salute. I'll dedicate this to all my soldiers we have lost in the struggle, bro. All those lost ones. My ride symbolizes the renaissance of Africa. Africa. My ride symbolizes the renaissance of Africa.
Didn't know African rappers can spit like that, man.
My ride symbolizes the renaissance of Africa.
Africa.
My ride symbolizes the renaissance of Africa.
Didn't know African rappers can spit like that, man.
Hush, my flow mystic, divine I speak with rhymes like six, French like hot plastic, charismatic, flex like gymnastic, hits back and forth like bombastic, thought-provoking ideas that are legit. Once the message hit your ears, homie, it sticks. Communicate with your soul about misfit in the individual and how we can fix it before you criticize your neighbors. Dirty compound, gotta clean your own fuss. We gotta give more values to our teachers, doctors, builders. All we got is us, brothers and sisters who walk the same earth. Let us give what we owe to him and us. Salute the soldiers who bled and died for us. Follow orders but within borders. The chain of command I found in the Quran, and the force behind black is a hidden hand, and the time is now, you gotta understand, eh? The one backing us up, the creator of man. My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa. My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa.
Didn't know African rappers can spit like that, man.
My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa. My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa.
Didn't know African rappers can spit like that, man.
Strategic with the way that I kick metaphysics, lyricist way ahead of my time, but an old soul, yours is cold, hear my coming foretold in scriptures, remember the them as prophecy unfold. I am the personification of coming to America, Murphy Eddie, and my real name Edie, could it be? When you touch my flesh, you in tune with the motherland soil. Mix my flow with oil, it would bore you. I think I know you, face familiar, I'm healing ya. Revealing the 360-degree cylinder, filling the gap right under the common denominator. Ill commentator, my people separator. Wash now, not later. Crown debate around the hater, no need to debate us. Why don't you say the way you gon' pay the waiter that's been serving ya? What's been fitting ya? What's been fitting ya? My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa. My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa.
Didn't know African rappers can spit like that, man.
My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa. My rhymes symbolize the renaissance of Africa.
Didn't know African rappers can spit like that, man.
Yeah, I'll shift. I dedicate this to all those starving rappers still back home dreaming. You know what I mean? Don't worry, I got ya. Allah chose me for a reason though. I'ma represent, trust me, B. Y'all can chillax. I got this, man.